Losing years of irreplaceable photos, critical work documents, or expensive video footage feels like an absolute nightmare. But a massive breakthrough in data recovery just changed the game. EaseUS has officially dropped version 20.7, packing a live smart disk health diagnostic engine to detect drive failure before it happens, paired with a completely redesigned, ultra-powerful data rebuilding core built specifically to rescue files other programs completely miss. In this guide, you are getting the complete step-by-step tutorial on exactly how to use EaseUS Data Recovery Wizard 20.7 engine to pull your dead data back from the brink. The first step is installation, and you have to do this flawlessly. To get started without risking your deleted data, go ahead and click the official partner link sitting right at the top of the description or pinned comment below. You absolutely need this verified safe installer to bypass outdated versions. Now take a close look at the official page. You will notice the text predominantly states version 20.5. Do not let that confuse you. Select the option that matches your system. Click for Windows or for Mac if you are on Apple hardware. That redirects you straight to the dedicated operating system download page. Once you are here, click the blue trial button to grab the installer step. It automatically grabs the hidden hot-fixed 20.7 backend engine directly from the secure EaseUS service. The moment it finishes, open up that installer directly from your download section so we can get this rescue mission moving. Now listen to me closely because this next move is where most people ruin their chances of recovery. When the installer launches, do not click install blindly. If your lost files were on your C drive, you must change the installation path to your D drive, an external hard drive, or a secondary USB stick, because simply downloading and installing software onto the exact same drive where your data died can write over those hidden file fragments, crashing your chances of ever seeing them again. To keep it safe, select a secondary drive. And hit install. The new 20.7 engine sets up in seconds. Once it wraps up, fire up the application so we can start hunting for your lost files. The moment the software launches, let's verify it together. Go up to the top right corner and click these 3 lines. When done, hit About. And boom, right there on your screen, you are officially running the latest version 20.7. This means you have the absolute highest success rate and the newest stability patches available on the market. Now that we are verified and logged into the strongest data rescue core available, you will notice the software defaults right to your storage devices. But before you smash that scan button, we are going to make a professional level chest move that standard tutorials completely skip. Look over to the left-hand sidebar and click on this brand new feature tab called More Recovery Tools. Right there, EaseUS has added a game-changing model called Disk Health. Go ahead and click Start on it immediately. This brings up a full live smart diagnostic breakdown of your hard drive or SSD. It tells you your drive's exact temperature, power cycles, and a definitive status percentage. If your drive shows good 100%, you are completely greenlit to run software recovery. But if this panel warns you that your drive is physically failing or overheating, do not panic and do not run a standard scan. Scanning a physical dying drive can burn it out completely and kill your data forever. Instead, look right next to the health tool at this crucial 20.7 feature, which is image recovery. If your drive is in bad shape, click this to create a byte-by-byte backup image clone of the entire disk. Once you clone it safely to a healthy external drive, you can safely scan that copy without stressing your broken hardware. This is a massive lifesaver that protects your data from worst-case scenarios. But since our drive checked out perfectly healthy and 100% stable, we can safely run the live software recovery. Let's head back over to the left sidebar. Click on the hardware disk section. You will see a clear layout of your local hard drives, solid-state drives, external USBs, and partitions. All you need to do is select the exact location where your files used to be before they vanished and click the Recover for Lost Data button. The moment you click that, the 20.7 engine immediately kicks into overdrive. Now look closely at the progress bar at the bottom of your screen. First, it fires off an ultra-fast quick scan to instantly map out your recently deleted file paths. Then, without you needing to click a single thing, it transitions straight into a deep scan. This deep scan phase meticulously combs through the raw storage blocks of your drive to stitch back together heavily fragmented, corrupted, or formatted file structures. You don't even have to wait for the entire scan to finish to start looking for your files. The engine updates the dashboard in real time, showing you exactly what it finds the exact second it uncovers it. Now our next step is the moment of truth, where we preview and rescue your files. You don't want to waste time digging through millions of random system files. So we are going to use the 20.7 S.M.A.R.T filter system. Head right over to the left-hand sidebar and click on Type. From there, simply select the type of files or data you need to recover. Boom, just like that, the software organizes every single deleted file it uncovers right back into its original name and path for quick, effortless recognition. Instead of guessing whether a file is healthy or corrupted, EaseUS gives you total clarity right on the spot. And this is where the software dominates. Just double-click on any recovered video file right here. And look at that. A built-in media preview window will pop up and play the video files flawlessly in real time. This is absolute proof that the 20.7 engine has completely rebuilt the file structure, meaning your file is 100% healthy and ready to be saved. Once you see your files are good, check the boxes next to them and hit this big blue recover button in the bottom right corner. Now listen to me very carefully for this final critical step. When the software asks you where to save your recovered files, never save them back to the exact same drive you just scanned. If you do, you risk overwriting other deleted files. Always save to a secondary drive, external hard drive, USB stick, or click that second tab to restore your files directly to cloud services like Google Drive, OneDrive, Dropbox, or iCloud to keep your data completely safe. When done, hit Save. If your lost files total under 2 GB, that first official partner link in my description box or pinned comments below will let you pull them back completely free right now. But if you are recovering massive 4K video projects, huge photo libraries, or an entire formatted drive, you are going to blast right past that free cap. Click the second official partner link right now to lock in my exclusive limited time 60% discount while the promo is still live. If you need to cover more than one PC, click that third link in the description to open the exclusive EaseUS Deals hub. Scroll down to the buy one get one free section and grab the Data Recovery Pro package. Over here, you get 2 lifetime licenses for even less than the original cost of a single license, giving you complete, permanent data recovery coverage across multiple devices for life. And there you have it. That is exactly how you deploy the ultra-powerful new 20.7 engine from EaseUS to rescue your lost data before it's gone for good. If this video saved your files, smash that like button and hit subscribe so you never miss another elite tech tutorial.